Guys, resume tayo. Okay. So, Sony Alpha. This lens is Tamron 100 to 300 mm. Yan. Tamron D5600 Nikon. I have here my resume muna tayo. Okay, resume tayo guys. Resume. Okay guys, kita natin. This one is the Nikon D5600 with 35 mm. No, not 35 mm. That is 24 to 85 mm. And we have a Tamron 100 to 300 mm. Okay, for sports and wildlife photography, the best. Guys, itong lens na to guys is Japan made. Okay, with filter na yan, with filter. Ito is my Sony A57 with 100 to 400 mm. Guys, ang lens made of metal, Japan. Okay, Minolta lens, Sony Alpha A57. Once again, may 7 lenses na yan, nakasali yan. Ibibinta ko ng 12,900 lang. All in na, all in. Basta cash. Okay. And we have also here Nikon D3500 and lenses. The Nikon D800, 3 days old pa lang to guys, 3 days old, very new. And this one is Canon 70D. Ito yung mga camera bag natin and lenses. Okay, camera bag, dalawang malaking camera bags and para sa mga lenses. That's all for now guys. Sa may interesado dyan, just inquire me kasi I'm releasing some. Hindi lahat to i-release, pero may 2 or 3 yata akong i-release na camera. Inquire lang kayo. Pero yung Sony Alpha is I'm surely i-release ko na yung Sony Alpha ko. So thank you.